Hi everybody, Christian Cantrell here, excited to introduce the biggest update ever to the Photoshop plugin. Let's start with the fact that it's been rebranded. It is now the Stability Photoshop plugin because it's not just for Stable Diffusion anymore. I'm very happy to announce that we now support Dall.E 2 as well. Just drop in your OpenAI API key and now you can generate images, edit images. Transparent regions will be replaced according to the prompt. And create variations of either the document or of a selected layer. Of course, your History tab keeps track of both your Stable Diffusion and your Dall.E 2 creations. Having both Stable Diffusion and Dall.E in one plugin means you can mix and match. For example, you might generate an image using a custom fine-tuned Stable Diffusion model, then outpaint the results with Dall.E. But wait a second, did I just say custom fine-tuned model? I did. That's the second major new feature of this release. The last version brought local inference, and this version allows you to configure the server to use your own models fine-tuned on whoever or whatever you want. Specifically, things not in the original training dataset, like possibly you, your friends, your pets, or your products. Trust me when I say that custom fine-tuned models are absolutely game-changing, and in the future will almost certainly represent the majority of diffusion-based creativity. Okay, just because I made you wait so long for an update, my apologies, I started a new job at the exact same time I came down with the flu. I'm throwing in a bonus feature, an upgrade from version 1.4 to 1.5 for local inference. Shout out to Harish2204 for the pull request. That's all I have for you for now, so go be creative, and thanks for watching.